Well, the plaintiffs filed a motion for temporary restraining order, which is an extraordinary remedy, and they have to meet certain criteria. Three criteria. One is that they are likely to prevail on the merits of their claims. Second, that the balance of harm favors them. And third, that it's in the public interest that a TRO be granted. So the judge denied it on all three grounds, and that's essentially what happened in the court today, largely because the legal basis upon which they made their claims was defective and essentially not a good argument. The judge didn't buy it, and we had the support of the Hawaii Supreme Court's decision of November 30th, 2018. And that was the second decision by the Hawaii Supreme Court on the Conservation District use permit.
I don't know. Law and order is one of the most obvious non-violent ways to address issues, to address, ask for redress of the government, right, of our issues under the Constitution. What's happening is really disappointing because what we're witnessing is the law always presuming that we're the guilty ones, shifting the burden on us to prove what they must prove. It wasn't our job to prove that that they amended the 1977 plan. It's their job to prove that they amended it. So all they did was say that the 2009 plan overwrites it. It doesn't. And they know that. So it's just that the judge has a tendency, just like judges have tendencies to believe the police officers, right? Same thing. They have the tendency to believe the university, but so far the university, when you look at all of the history here, hasn't been the one that's been on the side of right. And in fact, all the audits say so, So we're getting tired of that. And that's why there's so many people here, because we are tired of being criminalized and treated as if we are the ones who are lying.
Well, they filed two motions. The first was the request for the temporary restraining order, and the second is a motion for a preliminary injunction.
That will be heard in August?
August 27th.
Okay. And
Yes.
then after those are handled, another...
Then it goes to the legal process.
What I will say is he did give us an opportunity to amend it, so we can make a motion for amending the complaint. And probably it'll go into the injunction part, because we have another preliminary injunction hearing